There we have a Jet 20-inch disc sander. We have it powered up so we can watch it run. Runs very nicely. Shut the machine off. That wheel still spins for at least a couple minutes after you turn the machine off. We tested all the functions on here and everything appears to work fine. You got your 45-degree tilt table right here. This base here has a hairline crack. Goes about 2/3 of the way around here. Although it is stabilized, we'll have to replace the base. Three horsepower, 230 volt, 3-phase.